Shubham Gordap. Today's topic yes, emerging youth in emerging state for Viksit Bharat. Yes. To now, Abdul Kalam dream is 2020. India become developed country, but why not possible robotics? Robotics is the very important topics because robotics help in children to laughing and also boosting knowledge, like you see God Datta statue or any statue is interesting. A student and scientists need 15 hours work daily. Artificial intelligence also used in study and agriculture. Jai Hind.